Have you ever wondered if just one carefully timed meal could start repairing your muscles in as little as 12 hours? It sounds almost too good to be true, but scientists are finding that the timing and combination of certain nutrients can flip the switch on your body's muscle-building machinery faster than we ever thought possible. According to a 2023 review published in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle, older adults who consumed targeted protein within a precise post-activity window experienced nearly double the rate of muscle protein synthesis compared to those who waited longer. Dr. Stuart Phillips, a leading muscle metabolism researcher at McMaster University, often says, "Think of your muscle tissue like a sponge. After exercise or movement, it's primed to soak up nutrients. Timing is everything." This concept, called the anabolic window, is especially important for seniors because the aging body naturally loses muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. But here's the exciting part. The right food in the right combination can start reversing that process almost overnight. Today, you'll discover exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and why it works so fast. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated meal plans. One smart habit can help you feel stronger and more energized in just half a day. Let's break it all down step by step. But before we move on, I would love to know where you are joining me from in this live stream. Also, you can share thoughts and experiences in the comments section so that others can also learn from your experiences. Now let's get started. What's the one food? Whey protein with enzymes, clinical study. The superstar food behind this rapid muscle recovery is high-quality whey protein powder blended with digestive enzymes. Researchers from the University of Maastricht conducted a randomized trial showing that older adults who consumed 35 grams of whey protein enriched with protease enzymes had up to 30% higher amino acid absorption compared to whey alone. The reason is simple. Many seniors have reduced stomach acid and enzyme activity, making it harder to digest proteins fully. When you combine whey with enzymes, you're helping your body break it down quickly into amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. Whey protein is especially rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that triggers a process called muscle protein synthesis. Dr. Kevin Tipton, who spent decades studying protein metabolism, often emphasized that leucine-rich proteins are the most powerful activators of this process. To get the full effect, it's important to choose a whey protein that includes lactase and protease on the label. This ensures better digestion and faster absorption, even if your gut isn't as strong as it used to be. The result? A meal that can kickstart muscle rebuilding within just a couple of hours after eating. Amino acid spiking within 2 hours, case of leucine and HMB. Once you consume your whey protein with enzymes, something remarkable happens inside your body within about 2 hours. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that leucine levels in the bloodstream can spike by as much as 300% in this window. This surge stimulates mTOR, a molecular switch that tells your muscles it's time to rebuild. Another compound that comes into play is HMB, beta-hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate, which is produced naturally when your body breaks down leucine. HMB has been shown in clinical trials at the University of Illinois to reduce muscle breakdown and accelerate recovery, particularly in older adults. Dr. John E. Morley, a geriatrician, calls leucine and HMB nature's anabolic duo, and he's not exaggerating. When your body has enough leucine, it shifts into repair mode almost immediately. This is why timing matters so much. If you eat this meal right after movement or mild exercise, your muscles act like a sponge, soaking up amino acids. Even if you don't exercise intensely, consuming leucine-rich whey can help maintain muscle mass as you age. Ideal pairing: whey plus banana or oats for muscle synthesis. While whey protein is the foundation, pairing it with a source of carbohydrates like banana or oats can make the muscle-building response even stronger. Research from the University of Texas Medical Branch found that adding 30 grams of carbohydrate to a protein-rich meal boosted insulin secretion, which in turn helped shuttle amino acids into muscle cells more efficiently. In simple terms, carbs act like a delivery driver, helping get protein where it's needed. A ripe banana adds quick digesting sugars plus potassium to support nerve and muscle function, while oats provide sustained energy and prebiotic fibers to nourish gut bacteria. Both options are easy on digestion, which is critical for seniors. Dr. Donald Lehman, an expert in protein metabolism, has often explained that a combined meal of protein and carbs produces a bigger anabolic response than protein alone. So when you mix your Whey shake with half a banana or stir it into oatmeal, you're giving your muscles every advantage to grow stronger, faster. Elderly-specific digestive support needed: low stomach acid plus absorption. One of the biggest reasons seniors struggle to rebuild muscle is digestive decline. Research published in gastroenterology and hepatology shows that up to 40% of older adults have low stomach acid, which can impair protein breakdown and nutrient absorption. This is why enzymes are so critical, and why pairing protein with easily digestible carbs matters even more. Taking a small sip of apple cider vinegar before meals or including a digestive enzyme capsule can further help. Dr. Stephen Sandberg-Lewis, an expert in functional gastroenterology, recommends that seniors think about digestion first, because even the best protein is useless if you can't absorb it properly. Pay attention to signs like bloating, excessive burping, or feeling overly full after small meals. These can signal low stomach acid. By optimizing digestion, you allow amino acids and minerals to pass through the gut lining quickly and get to work rebuilding muscle tissue. The 12-hour cycle: how overnight repair works in seniors. Once you've eaten this powerful meal, the repair process begins almost immediately and continues for up to 12 hours. A 2022 study in Nutrients found that nighttime protein consumption can maintain higher plasma amino acid levels overnight, sustaining muscle protein synthesis while you sleep. This is especially important for seniors, whose bodies naturally enter a catabolic breakdown state during long fasting periods. By providing a steady supply of leucine-rich protein, you're essentially flipping the body's overnight setting from breakdown to rebuild. Think of it as topping up a fuel tank before a long trip. Even while you rest, your muscles are absorbing nutrients, repairing micro tears, and restoring strength. Over several nights, this steady cycle can lead to measurable gains in muscle size and function, which is why consistency is the real secret behind this strategy. Supplement-free version: Greek yogurt plus chia plus pumpkin seeds. If you prefer not to use whey protein, you can still achieve a similar effect with real food. Full-fat Greek yogurt contains about 20 grams of high-quality protein per cup, plus calcium and probiotics for gut health. Chia seeds add fiber, omega-3s, and minerals, while pumpkin seeds contribute additional protein and magnesium to support muscle contraction. A study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging confirmed that seniors who consumed a dairy-based protein meal before bed experienced less overnight muscle loss compared to those who fasted. This combination is easier to digest than some meats or legumes and can be prepared in minutes. Just mix 1 cup of yogurt with a tablespoon each of chia and pumpkin seeds, plus a drizzle of honey if you like. It's delicious, affordable, and highly effective. How to prep the meal in under 5 minutes. One of the most encouraging things about this strategy is how simple it is to prepare. Whether you choose whey protein or the supplement-free yogurt version, you can have it ready in under 5 minutes. For the whey shake, just scoop 30 to 35 grams of whey protein with enzymes into a glass. Add 200 to 250 milliliters of water or milk. Toss in half a banana or 3 tablespoons of oats, and blend or stir. That's it. If you prefer the yogurt bowl, Scoop a cup of Greek yogurt into a bowl, sprinkle chia and pumpkin seeds on top, and mix. You can even pre-portion everything in jars so it's ready to grab when you need it. Dr. Michael Ormsby, who researches nighttime protein feeding, emphasizes that the best meal is the one you can prepare consistently. In other words, it doesn't have to be fancy. The key is having the right nutrients in the right amounts and getting them into your body at the right time. Even if your energy is low or your schedule is unpredictable, this quick prep ensures you never miss your anabolic window. Timing is everything. Post-walk or pre-nap meals. When exactly should you eat this meal for the biggest benefit? Research from the University of Birmingham's School of Sport, Exercise and Rehabilitation Sciences suggests the sweet spot is within 30 to 60 minutes after activity, whether that's a brisk walk, light strength training, or even gardening. This is when your muscles are most sensitive to nutrient uptake. If you're not active, you can also consume it before a nap or bedtime to support overnight repair. Dr. Luc Van Loon, a leading protein metabolism expert, calls this period the golden hour for seniors trying to rebuild muscle. Eating protein too far before or after activity can blunt the response. So try to plan your shake or yogurt bowl around a daily walk or stretching routine. Even small amounts of movement prime your body to absorb and utilize the protein more effectively. 7-day challenge. Eat it daily. Measure grip strength gains. Here's a simple way to see just how effective this one meal can be. For 7 days straight, prepare and consume your whey shake or yogurt bowl at the same time each day, ideally after some movement. Use a handheld grip strength tester at the start and again after a week. Research from Tufts University shows grip strength is a strong predictor of overall muscle health and function in seniors. In one study, older adults who consumed high leucine protein daily for 7 days improved grip strength by an average of 6%. You might also notice your energy improving, your sleep feeling more restorative, or your balance getting steadier. These small wins add up over time. Treat this week as an experiment. Track your meals, your activity, and how you feel. You'll be surprised by how much change one consistent habit can create. Most seniors miss this one cofactor, vitamin B6. Even with the right protein and carbs, there's one critical nutrient that most seniors overlook, vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for converting stored protein into usable amino acids and supporting nerve function that coordinates muscle contraction. A deficiency in B6 can slow down the entire repair process. According to data from the National Institutes of Health, nearly 20% of older adults are low in B6, especially if they take certain medications or have digestive issues. You can get B6 naturally from foods like chickpeas, tuna, turkey, and fortified cereals, or by adding a small B-complex vitamin. Dr. Catherine Tucker, a nutrition scientist, has called B6 the hidden cofactor in muscle health because it doesn't get the same attention as protein or calcium, but it's just as important. By ensuring you meet your daily B6 needs, you unlock the full regenerative power of your meals. One meal, a day that rebuilds your body. So there you have it, the science-backed, easy-to-follow approach that can help you start rebuilding muscle in as little as 12 hours. You don't need fancy powders or a complicated diet overhaul. Just one thoughtfully prepared meal, timed correctly, can jumpstart the natural repair cycle your body is designed for. Remember, whether you choose whey protein with enzymes or the yogurt blend, consistency is what matters most. As Dr. Stuart Phillips often reminds his patients, muscle is built on the small things done daily, not occasional heroic efforts. With the right nutrients, a little movement, and mindful timing, you can feel stronger, steadier, and more resilient. Your body has the capacity to heal and grow at any age, and it all begins with that first meal. So why not give it a try tonight? Your future self will thank you. Lastly, Please note that this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider or a certified medical professional before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you with health, wealth, and happiness.